How to make king coconut wine. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have a very exciting topic to discuss: how to make your very own king coconut wine. King coconut, also known as thambili in some regions, is a popular tropical fruit that is native to Sri Lanka. And what better way to enjoy its unique flavors than by turning it into a delicious homemade wine? So, let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly go over the ingredients and equipment you'll need. For the ingredients, you'll need 1. Fresh king coconuts, about 10 to 12, depending on their size. 2. Sugar, approximately 2 pounds, 900 grams. 3. Active dry yeast, 1 packet, 7 to 10 grams. 4. Water, 1 gallon, 3.8 liters. As for the equipment, make sure you have 1. Large fermentation vessel with an airlock. 2. A clean and sterilized glass jar. 3. A hydrometer, optional but useful for measuring alcohol content. 4. A funnel. 5. A siphon tube or turkey baster. 6. Clean bottles with stoppers or caps for bottling the wine. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the step-by-step process. Step 1. Extracting king coconut water. The first step is to extract the water from the king coconuts. Start by removing the outer husk using a sharp knife. Then, carefully pierce the soft eye of the coconut and pour the water into a clean container. Repeat this process for all the coconuts until you have collected enough water. Once you have the coconut water, strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove any impurities. This will ensure that your wine is clear and free from unwanted particles. Step 2. Preparing the yeast. In a small glass jar, dissolve the packet of active dry yeast in a cup of warm water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. This step activates the yeast, which will play a crucial role in fermenting the sugars in the coconut water. Remember, using clean and sterilized equipment is essential throughout the process to prevent contamination and ensure a successful fermentation. Step 3. Mixing the ingredients. Now it's time to combine the coconut water, sugar, and activated yeast. In your large fermentation vessel, add the coconut water, followed by the sugar. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely. Next, add the activated yeast to the mixture and give it another good stir. The yeast will consume the sugar in the coconut water and convert it into alcohol through the process of fermentation. Step 4. Fermentation process. Once the ingredients are mixed, cover the fermentation vessel with an airlock to allow carbon dioxide to escape while preventing any external contaminants from entering. Place the vessel in a cool, dark place where the temperature is consistent. Ideally, the temperature should be around 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, for optimal fermentation. Leave the mixture to ferment undisturbed for about 7. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Stay safe and spread peace. Until next time.